Hello everyone, it's Dianne at Minerva. I hope you're all having a wonderful week. And today I'm excited to share with you the new spring pattern range by Simplicity. So these are all now in stock here at Minerva, so you can get everything you need for your next project all in one place. So I'm going to jump straight in and share the first one with you. Now these top picks today are my picks from the new pattern range. These are the ones that I think work really well for summer, and there are more to choose from if you want to go and take a look at the rest of them. But these ones I think will work really well with your summer wardrobe, and you're bound to find one that you love. So along the way I'll also be sharing a few fabrics that you might like to try and that also reflect the current fashion trends. So the first one is pattern number 3229 and it's a dress. So this dress is fitted through the waist. We have this optional covered cummerbund. It's also got dolman sleeves that come to the elbow, and these finish with a hemband. We have a back zip and it flares out from the waist. So a really lovely shape to it. I particularly love this cover version, which is made in an orange shirting, very much of the season, with this beautiful zesty orange colour. But you can also make it in a romantic floral, also very much in fashion at the moment. Or there is this stripe version, and I love the way that they've got the stripes going in the different directions at that fitted waist point there. A really lovely detail. Now, despite appearances, this is an average ability pattern. So something that lots of people can have a go at. Not too tricky, not too many details there, especially with that dolman sleeve there. It makes it really easy to construct. And the sizing is 10 to 20 and then 20 to 30W. Fabrics, why not go for a cotton blend, a chambray, a poplin, maybe a cotton lawn. Other wovens and lightweight shirtings would also work really well with this. Next we have the perfect shirt for your collection. So this is pattern number 3232. Now you can go for the cover version and go for this classic white shirt. This particular view A, is a tuxedo style. So it has a winged collar and a bib front to give that tuxedo effect. But you can also go for views B and C, which have a collar with collar stand, patch pockets, and you can either have a crop length or a full length version. So either make it in a classic white or go for a bright bold colour, or maybe a stripe or a check to just change things up a little bit. Why not go for a chambray, a cotton, a broadcloth, maybe go for a cotton shirting, a linen, or maybe a poplin. Sizing is XS to XXL. And again, this is an average ability pattern. I'm going to pop a few fabrics on the screen that you might like to take a look at. A really lovely addition to your wardrobe. Now for when the heat rises, we have a top and short set. So here we have a lined structured vest. It has a button closure to the front, self straps, and then we have a tie detail. And the shorts are flowing with some front pleats, a button fly, and then a hook and bar closure, some back darts, and also side pockets. So really useful shorts. So you can wear this as a set or wear it with other separates, other little vest tops, or maybe bikini tops for your holidays. So a really lovely set. I love Mimi G's style. She has a really nice style about all her patterns, and perfect for those long summer days. Can be made in a range of fabrics: crepe, double georgette, linen, soft stretch wovens, cotton and polyester blends. So lots of fabrics to play around with, and you can mix it up with the solids and the prints. Sizing is 10 to 18 and then 18 to 26, and it's an average ability make. Now if vintage patterns are for you, then pattern number 3252 is just the thing. So it's a vintage 1950s blouse pattern, and we have 4 variations to choose from. All of the views have a V-neck, but we have different ways that we can finish that neckline. So we can go for a lace edging. We can have a pointed collar, a wide pointed collar, finish with either a bias strip or a band. We also have the view with the bow to the front. Whether you go for the simple look or the lace edging, these are all really elegant. Fitted through the body, they would work perfectly with skirts, straight or flowing. It could turn a simple skirt into an evening dress if you coordinate the fabrics. There are a range of fabrics you can choose from if you're working on this blouse, so depending on what view you go for will depend on the type of fabric that you use. So a lace, an eyelet, a voile, an organza, a pique, a satin, cottons, rayons, silks. There are so many to choose from, and you can really play around with making this blouse a different way each time that you try it out. So you can have lots of fun with this pattern. As it's a vintage reproduction pattern, they always come with additional information and sizing details. Sizing is 10 to 18 and then 18 to 26, and this one is an easy pattern. I'm going to pop in a few fabrics to give you a few ideas of what you might like to play around with. If you're looking for a skirt for your collection, then pattern number 3235 is perfect. Now this one is a draped wrap skirt. So it's got that lovely, flowy, romantic feel that we're seeing everywhere this season. You can make it in prints or checks, go for a plain fabric or maybe a floral. There is the option of a sash if you go for view C. Make it in a chambray for a more casual feel. There are some side seam pockets and a traditional waistband and that lovely shaped wrap to the front. So lots of beautiful movement in this skirt. Sizing is 6 to 18 and then 14 to 26. Now this one is an average ability make. Fabrics, why not go for a cotton, a chambray, a linen, a rayon or maybe a challis. View A, you could play around with trims and maybe add some lace or rickrack. Have a look at our extensive range of trims and think about how you can play around and truly make this skirt your own. Maybe you're just starting out on your sewing journey, then 3230 by Mimi G is right up your street. So this one is a flowing tent style dress, so we can make it in two lengths, either just above the knee or make it full length for a maxi look. It has dropped armholes and a crew neckline. So this one is a really easy shape, so perfect for a beginner. The cover version here is made in a washed linen, but we can go for a chamouse, a crepe de chine, a double georgette, maybe a cotton blend or a rayon. Sizing is XS to double XL. I think this would make a perfect gift for someone with a few meters of fabric, and this pattern, if you know someone who is just starting out making their own clothes, it would be an ideal birthday present. Next up, we have a sleep set with 3240. So this one is perfect for those hot summer evenings when you want something to keep you cool. Perfect for wearing as loungewear, as it's really cute and smart. We have the option to make the pull-on trousers or shorts, long sleeve or short sleeve top with a scalloped collar, button down front, and tie and piping accents should you wish to add them in. So it's a nice easy make. I think it looks beautiful in the gingham on the cover version, so I'm going to add in a few of those for you to take a look at, but of course there are pretty florals that you could also try out. Go for cotton blends, broadcloth, lawn, gingham, linen blends. Sizing is XS to double XL, and as mentioned, it's a nice easy make. Here we have another versatile top and trouser set. First up, we have the asymmetrical top with a fluid neckline. It's a boat neckline, asymmetrical finish to the top, and then a drop shoulder. The trousers have elasticated back waist, side seam pockets, wide leg, and front pleats. So a wonderful casual look to this one. Again, perfect for keeping you cool through the spring and summer months. It can be made in silk blends, linen, rayon, crepe and jersey. There's a good size range on this one. So it goes from 10 to 20, 22 to 32W and 28 to 38W. This pattern is an average ability make. Coming up, this next skirt never seems to go out of fashion. It's pattern number 3237. We have a bias cut yoke with a full gathered skirt available in 2 lengths, short or maxi, side seam pockets, and the waistline sits 1 inch below the natural waist. It closes at the back with an invisible zipper. So lots of ways that you could play around with this one. You could make it in your cotton blends, a chambray, a cotton, a poplin. Maybe go for a taffeta if you're looking for a more special evening sort of look. Sizing is 6 to 18 and then 14 to 26. This one is rated average ability. If you're looking for something special, 3263 is a gorgeous dress. So it's a Regency inspired evening dress. We have an empire waistline with a sweetheart neckline, short puff sleeves with elastication, and we have sheer overlays to these. So the gowns, you can go for the all-in-one piece overlay, or you can go for the split overlay to the front with additional details and ruching. So they close with an invisible zipper at the back. I think these would be perfect for prom gowns, something a little bit different, especially with the whole Bridgerton theme that's been going on this past few years. But also if you're looking for something different for a bridesmaid or maybe even a wedding gown. So I think these sort of Regency inspired or traditional ball gown looks. Now, despite appearances, this is an average ability make, so not too complicated. Sizing is 8 to 16 and then 18 to 26. Fabrics go for a chamoose, a satin, a jacquard, a crepe de chine, a taffeta. For your contrast fabrics, you could go for a chiffon or a sheer georgette, maybe a lace or a novelty mesh. Something really special to make for the coming summer party season. Now, if you love a summer shirt dress, next up we have a vintage 1970s reproduction one for you. Pattern number 3254. This one is a pleated shirt length in either knee length or full length versions. We have a collar, a front button closing, a yoke, set-in sleeves, gathered to a button cuff. There is also a tie belt. Now this is a reproduction vintage pattern, so as always there's extra information and sizing details. Sizing is 8 to 16 and then 14 to 22, and it's an average ability pattern. Why not go for a chalet, a chintz, a crepe de chine, a gabardine, or a lightweight double knit? Poplins and printed silks would also work well. A lovely vintage pattern to add to your collection. For my final pick today, I have another occasion dress. So summer is the time of parties and weddings and celebrations, so I thought this 90s inspired dress by Jessica McClintock would be the perfect option. So we have this off the shoulder look. We can make it with sleeves or sleeveless. It's available in 2 lengths, so you can make it a long length or shorter if you want to wear it more for casual parties rather than a special event. We also have this pleated collar with the fabric rose detail. You can make the collar and skirt contrasting to change it up a little. We have a back zip and the princess seamed bodice and gathered skirt. Sizing is 6 to 14 and then 14 to 22. As it's a reproduction pattern, again it will have additional sizing. This one is for average ability, so a perfect choice if you're just developing your skills as a dressmaker and want to make that perfect party outfit this summer. This dress is not suitable for obvious diagonals, so do take care when choosing your prints. Fabrics, why not go for a broadcloth, a calico, a chintz, a damask, a lightweight brocade, or maybe a satin. A stunning dress, and this would be perfect for a wedding guest or a summer party of any style. Well, that's my top pick today from Simplicity's latest range for spring. I hope you've enjoyed looking through those and found a few that you might like to try out. Remember, you can get the patterns, the fabric and the notions all here at one place at Minerva, and included with that you can get your 10% off by joining the Minerva Craft Club today, and that will get you 10% off today and for the rest of the year. Also, don't forget to create a free account with us to join in with our wonderful worldwide sewing community. That's all from me today, but I hope to be back soon with more sewing inspiration for you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.